Good morning. If you want to know the names of the files in a folder, you just need to use list point files function. Then you have to write the root of the folder, and finally you can assign it to a name or an object. Well, I'm going to run it and you will see that I got 82 files and I can review I have them in this folder, and for example I got 84 files, but these two are about R, so the function will recognize it. Thank you so much for your help. Please subscribe, give a like, and I hope to develop more videos about this. For example, reading the list of files with a buckle or a loop in English. Thank you so much.